Hey, what's up, everybody? If you've got an iPhone or really any phone that you want to protect from dust and lint and dirt and all this good stuff, hopefully this video can help you out. I recently had to upgrade my phone because the charging port was completely damaged, or at least was not able to receive a charge because it was pretty dirty despite multiple attempts to clean it out. So here's what the little kit comes with. You can see there's a brush, pretty easy to use, and several little rubber plugs. I'll put a link in the description below for these particular plugs that I bought, and not really any complaints with them. They're pretty small, so if you've got like huge hands, you might have a small issue, but this is basically how they work. The little plugs insert into your charging port like this, and creating a pretty tight seal around it. The plug does not fall out unless you kind of pinch it and remove it. So I really like that. Now, obviously, when I charge it at night, the plug comes out and your charging cord goes in, and then during the day when you're done charging, you can plug it back up. I particularly like the color as well. These match the cover of my phone perfectly. So it kind of has a sleek look once the plug is indeed in. And overall, I really like this. I spent a lot of time with my phone in like the garage doing like random projects and whatnot. In fact, you can see a little bit of sanded material on the phone from a project that I was doing earlier. And so this gives me peace of mind, just knowing that there's some preventative cleanliness happening. So anyway, just wanted to put this video out for you. If you are indeed having this problem or looking to prevent this problem in the future, definitely pick yourself up a pair of these plugs. I really like them. So thank you so much. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been helpful, do me a favor and click the subscribe button. Thanks.